When you're getting advice, it's always worth thinking about what's the axe that they're grinding. What's in it for them. Quite often, you will, if you go to a barber's and ask if you need a haircut, of course you do, and you find this an awful lot with professional advisors, particularly. They normally have something they're trying to sell, and so often the solution that's presented to you happens to be the thing that they're selling. Surprise, surprise. So, whenever you're reading a book or you're doing a course or you're looking at, speaking to an advisor about a transaction, always think about what is the thing that they've got to sell and why are they trying to sell it to me. Particularly, like I say, a lot of the books are written by advisors. So, of course, their recommendation is to surround yourself with advisors. So always just try and read between the lines and figure out, is this actually good advice for me, or is this them positioning their offering to make it more appealing?